Hi, sorry for the mess again, but it will be very short. This is a Chinese aquarium pump, ZU-6824, probably with a triac regulator here. Yeah, I can't fit on my desk anymore. Let's turn it on. And this is the regulation, and it doesn't work. It doesn't produce pressure. Why? Maybe you will be able to see it here. See this beautiful hole? And this is this membrane, which has a beautiful hole here. And if you're interested how it works, well, there's a small sort of a check valve here, and this is the output port, this is the inlet. So this is the quality of this pump. Thanks for watching.